Hey guys, it's Phil Thompson from StreamingChurch.tv. We just did a podcast called Don't Let Technical Difficulties Ruin Your Christmas Service. And it's actually going to be out on the Church Solutions podcast next week. But you can go to our blog, just go to blog.streamingchurch.tv and we share about, I don't know, 8 or 9 tips, maybe 10. But here's one tip that I want to encourage you. And you know that bad cable that if you just kind of shake it a little bit, it works okay. Or perhaps you have to kind of reboot that live encoder several times to get it to work. But hey, as long as it works by service time, you're fine, right? Don't put it off any longer. Fix that cable. Fix those issues with your equipment, because when you least expect it, it's not going to come back after you shake it a few times. And you don't want to screw up your Christmas service, Christmas Eve service. So again, just some tips I want to pass on to you when it comes to streaming video. For more, just go to blog.streamingchurch.tv.